Vivo turned to announce its 2024 top-tier flagship Vivo X100 Ultra in China. The event will also see the introduction of two new flagships, X100S and X100S Pro. X100 Ultra features a 1-inch type main camera using Sony's LYT900 sensor and an even more impressive 200MP periscope camera, HP9 sensor co-developed with Samsung. It features an f/2.67 aperture and an 85mm equivalent focal length. It also gets size and 50MP ultra-wide camera. Moving to the rest of the specs, X100 Ultra features a curved 6.78-inch E7 LTPO AMOLED with 2K resolution and a 1-to-120Hz refresh rate. The panel gets up to 3000 nits peak brightness and features a 50MP front-facing camera inside the punch-hole cutout and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and pairs that with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4 storage. The software side is covered by Origin OS 4 based on Android 14. The Ultra will have the big kind of battery around 5,500 mAh. It will have support for 80W wired and 30W wireless charging. Vivo also confirmed the X100 Ultra supports 5.5G and two-way satellite connectivity in China. Vivo X100 Ultra comes in titanium, white, and gray colors. Pricing starts at 6,499 Chinese yuan, $898. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.